dim functions, both the ones. Install which package? Is it car or car? You can try out with these commands now. Heads. The package name itself. The only difference is you don't put it in quotation here. Is it installed, ma'am? Not installed yet. Summary also. Done. Are you also done, ma'am? अच्छा. Library हो गया? Then you try it with some commands over there. Which are the commands? I'll say, dim you've done. You understood what is dim, sir? Dimension, structure, and summary. Try to understand. Yeah, right. So for this particular command, I would not require any package to run this command. So I'll just, meantime I'll just explain you. Okay, I haven't read the data yet. So as I said, there are 9,568 observations and I have got 5 variables. Structure will be always very important to know what kind of a data set you have. It's all numeric. Okay, so as we proceed, when you do logistic regression, you will see the changes and you have to make changes after that. Date and as you can give your name also, sir. Instead of e-data, you can give my name also, your name also. That's no foundation in that. I gave e-data because energy data. E for energy. That's not a variable. That's an object where you are putting all your data sets. The only reason why I asked you to give e-data because I gave it. Correct. Now, this is your summary, sir. Yeah. It's very important when you do regression. Why it is very important? Because I would always like to check my median and mean. To check whether your data is normally distributed or not. Median and mean, you see they are very close to each other. 19 and 20. So a normally distributed curve will have median and mode and mean all in same place. So I can say approximately normal. This variable, also my variable B, see 52, 54, very near to each other. You can check all the variables. No. That's just an idea that my data are not skewed. Yeah, close to normal.
Can we do all the box plot?
Absolutely, I'll do, sir. Yep, I'll show everything, sir. Okay. I don't require a package for this. Okay, have this connection done. Can you write this command? Box plot.
All of these commands are available in your date folder also.
हाँ, ये इनके reference के लिए है, sir. So I'll ask them to type only.
So those who are
I'm not going to scroll it. You write box plot. You have to try it yourself. Yes, sir. I did it intentionally. Please write box plot. Please type box plot, everyone. Box plot. BOX. R will automatically give you hint. write box plot. Did everyone write box plot? Okay. Now inside that bracket, I want you to check for this particular variable 80. So what are you going to do then? I want to check box plot for 80, variable 80. How will you do it? Data $80? E data $80. Try it out. Correct. But you would not like to do that in box plot. No. You will have to do it. I haven't put it. I don't know.
I know. It might be coming from one of the systems.
Okay.
It's better to delete the file.
Okay.
Keep only the ones what you understood. We
Okay.
do not want to get affected. That's the reason.
Correct. But everybody has copied?
No, it's halfway through. When we put, we are getting a detection in every system.
Acha, acha, acha.
So please see, there's a problem. Did you get box plot? You got box plot? Diagram, that's it. The little change that I've done in my box plot, I did it horizontally. You got it vertically maybe. Just see. Did you get it vertically? Right, that's vertically. I did it horizontally. So what did I do is, what did I do? I wrote horizontal and then I said equals to true. So it will give me horizontally. Try it out. Sorted.
Right? Did everyone get this box plot? Yes. Now, can you tell me why will I have a box plot for? Very nice. Now, if I have an outliers, box plot will tell me. Okay. Block plot, if you can also see if it is right at the center. It's saying median is at the center. Okay. So similarly, try it out with the other variables. We have to check it for all the ones. Box plot for AT you have tried it out for V. Are you typing this command, sir? Because I'm waiting for you to do it. Don't mention anything. By default, it is vertical. To make it horizontal, you have to just put horizontal equals to true. Did you try it out?
Yes, sir.
Did you find outliers?
Yes. Yes.
For exhaust vacuum, I don't see any outlier actually.
So if you go to ambient,
So again, you don't have any outliers in exhaust vacuum. Ambient pressure, the next variable. Did you try it out, everyone? Done? Here you will find an outliers. Can you check the outliers, sir? These are my outliers.
Doesn't capture all the data.
No, it tells you there is a boundary. So beyond the boundary, if you have the data, it will just throw it.
So what is the criteria for the population? What percentage of the population?
3 sigma. 3 sigma.
This is 3 sigma.
3 sigma. It will consider 3 sigma from here,
Okay.
3 sigma from there.
Okay.
Does anyone have any question? And this particular length and breadth we say interquartile range. Q1 minus Q3. This is called as Q1 and this is Q3. So my interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. And this part of the data set is like 50% of the data set. Here you have 25%, here you have 25%. So I want you to remember this, that in how many variables did we see outliers so far? Exhaust vacuum as well as relative humidity. Yeah. Outliers on both the side. You just plot it out, sir. Exhaust vacuum. Why exhaust vacuum has come like that? Data set V. Let me see exhaust vacuum. Yeah, ambient pressure. In ambient pressure, in both the side we had outliers.
For example, I run this first command, okay? We can see the outlier. We don't see the much of outliers because it's in the center.
Outlier, how did you see that outlier here? Show me. The outliers should be here and here.
How do you identify that then?
Check ambient pressure. Ambient pressure we had outliers, just
AP, is it?
yeah. Number of outliers, there is a way of doing it, but I'll show you how to delete those outliers in case if you want to delete it. Yesterday when I did show you an R coding for species variable. Did you check that? Variable? Yeah. Like how to cut the data and see. Okay.
So this is one that what I have is, see, for example, this is energy production is there. PE is it? For example, I run that with the temperature itself. I run that particular column with temperature values, but temperature values will not be in there, that particular column, right?
Why temperature values are in there in that particular? I didn't get your question.
Oh, for okay, 1 second. This is ambient, this pressure, these are all column values.
Correct.
Right? So what we are doing is, in this ambient pressure column, I'm checking the ambient values which are the outliers in that particular column.
Correct.
Is my understanding correct?
No, I'm not checking only the outlier. Yeah, you can say so. Not only the outliers, it also says whether your data is skewed or not. See, this line is right at the center. Had it been the skewed data, it would have shifted here and there.
Okay.
Understand?
See, for example, I'm sorry if my understanding is wrong or right. See, for example, I had AT and AP as two columns. I'm checking the temperature in this and checking the pressure in this. Which are the outliers in this column, which are the outliers in this column.
You're
right?
you have already selected AT as one variable. Then why are you writing T here?
No, I'm just checking the temperature outliers in AT,
Correct.
pressure outliers in AP.
Correct.
Can I check temperature outliers in AP column? Will that still allow?
Temperature variable in AP column.
Yeah, it shouldn't be allowing, right?
I'm really confused with the questions you
I'm
have.
so sorry. I'm checking the temperature.
Don't
outliers.
mention any temperature. You're checking only 80 columns. That's variable. It. Whatever the values you have, you're checking it. Whether there is outliers or not. Right? That's what you're checking?
Correct.
I'll just plot.
What is that mean?
Main is, it will give you the name. In the box plot, if you don't put name, main, you see in every places I have put temperature, exhaust vacuum, main equals to, it will give that name. Title, correct. So So if you are done with the box plot, can I proceed? Okay. Could you do it, sir? Huh? You didn't do one box plot also, sir? Tell me, why do you have problems, sir? Okay, so you must have told me, sir. E data. Okay, sir. Okay, that's the name that I've given. You can't see that, sir. I mean, is it a problem for you? Not able to see it? I've been given it an E data, and now choose.5, and I've run it. So look here, it's running. Okay. Now, I'm going to open the function choose.file. What it is saying, sir? Okay. Today you have written a different formula. It's not choose.file, it's file.choose.